Hmm. Hmm. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Only darkness every day. Nah, that's stupid. BOOZHOO Nij Anishinaabe Doog, and welcome back to the BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO podcast. And we're a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons, and I'm here today with the lovely and talented Natasha.
BOOZHOO!
And of course, the host of the show, Mr. Nana BOOZHOO. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO! How you doing? And before we get started, just want to do a little song here. Do you want to help me with this, Natasha?
Yeah, I'd love to.
This is Ain't No Sunshine When She's Gone.
Oh, what?
I don't think that's the name of the song. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. Wonder this time where she's gone. Wonder if she's gone to stay. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. And I know, 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 I know. Oh, leave your thing alone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away.
Oh, what?
So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Nana BOOZHOO.
Yay!
All right. Oh, we're almost out of time. All right, quickly, something funny and informative. It doesn't even have to be good. Let's see. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. Very quickly. I got everything set up beautifully, but now I just don't feel it happening. And that's okay. Who cares? Today's Ojibwe word of the day. Wednesday. Abituse. It means halfway. You've made it halfway through the week, so abituse. Who cares? All right, say something profound and how about a joke? I can never remember jokes. What is a joke? What song should we do? Yeah, sure. Hey everybody. Just want to say thank you so much for contributing to the GoFundMe campaign.
Yeah, huh?
And also a special thank you to the people who've signed up on Patreon. and who buy the books on Amazon.com. It's been a really great month for the BOOZHOO Not a BOOZHOO podcast. And Chi Miigwech, I just want to say thank you very much. If you'd like to contribute, there are links in the description. And I also want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing. My name is Michael Lyons, and I will see you again. Gigawaba Min, Minawa. Hoa. One more song? All right. Where's my pick? I can't believe the news today. I can't close my eyes and make it go away. How long must we sing this song? How long? 'Cause tonight we can be as one tonight. Broken bottles under children's feet, bodies strewn across the dead end street. But I won't heed the battle call. It puts my back up against the wall. How long must we sing this song? How long? 'Cause tonight we can be as one tonight. Tonight. Sunday, bloody Sunday. Sunday, bloody Sunday. Sunday, bloody Sunday. Sunday, bloody Sunday.